Hi friends, today the third day of our spoken English class. Today I selected a subject at school. It is very important in your life. If you follow our rules and regulations means continue to study the 100 days classes, I guarantee you will be able to speak in English, not only speak but also write and read. And without the mistakes, grammatical mistakes, you can speak and write and read it. So look at the board. If you are a new student, you must watch our previous videos. Welcome to our channel. I am Saju Thomas. Today our topic is at school. A very simple sentence. I explain simple sentence. It is very essential in your life. So if you have copy, you must write it. Otherwise, you listen very carefully. See, usually we ask some questions to others, or others usually ask some questions to us. In normal questions, when we are in a school or any other places. See, today we are going to study about a normal person will ask some questions about your school life or your school activities. So today I am going to explain it. See, first I wrote it. Hello. Good morning. How are you? We sometimes meet a person. The first time we say to them good morning, good afternoon or good evening, or in Hindi namaste. See, good morning, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What about you? I am also fine. We already studied about our previous class. See, what's your name? My name is Rahul. My name is Thomas. My name is Anchal. We can say. Then next, how old are you? See, look at the board here. How old are you? How old are you? आपको आपका उम्र कितना है? आपको कितना उम्र का हो? How old are you? आपका उम्र कितना है? आप आयु कितना है? आप कितना साल का है? How old are you? I am. What is your actual age? Your age is 10 or 15 or 20 or 25. You can write here, I am 10 years old. See, I am 10 years old. If you are in 15 years old, you can say, I am 15 years old. See, in which school do you study? आप कौन सा स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? In which school do you study? I study in Kerala Public School. I see, in which school do you study? आप कौन सा स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? I study in Kerala Public School. मैं केरला पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ. Otherwise, I study in Delhi Public School. I study in St. Joseph School. I study in St. Thomas School. I study in St. Francis School. Which is your school? Or what's the name of your school? You can say, I study in Kerala Public School. Or, what's the name of your school? In which school do you study? The question. आप कौन सा स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? Same time, we can ask to others, what's the name of your school? What's the name of your school? आपका स्कूल का नाम क्या है? Then answer is, the name of my school is Kerala Public School. Otherwise, my school's name is Kerala Public School. Where is your school? Where is your school? My school is at Sayyid Raja. Where is your school? आपका स्कूल कहाँ है? आपका स्कूल कहाँ है? My school is at Sayyid Raja. In small places or villages we use at. Suppose your school is in Delhi, you can say my school is in Delhi. My school is in Mumbai. My school is in Chennai. See, where is your school? My school is at Sayyid Raja. See, in which class do you study? आप कौन सा कक्षा में पढ़ते हो? In which school? See, in which class? कौन सा कक्षा में? Do you study? आप कौन सा कक्षा में पढ़ते हो? In which class do you study? I study in class 8. I study in class 1st. I study in class 2nd. I study in class 3rd. We can say. Who is your class teacher? आपका class teacher कौन है? Who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Mrs. Rekha. My class teacher. See, who is your class teacher? आपका class teacher कौन है? कक्षा अध्यापक, अध्यापक और अध्यापिका. Who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Mrs. Rekha Singh. Then, who is your principal? आपका principal कौन है? Our principal is Mrs. Thomas or Mr. Thomas. Who is your principal? Our principal is Mr. Thomas. See, आपका स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल कौन है? Who is your English teacher? आपका इंग्लिश टीचर कौन है? Our English teacher is Mr. Matthew Joseph. Any name? चंदन पांडे और संतोष गुप्ता. Our English teacher is Mr. Santosh Gupta or Chandan Pandey. You can use any name, no problem. Then, how many students are there in your class? How many students are there in your class? आपका क्लास में कितना स्टूडेंट्स है? विद्यार्थी कितना है आपका क्लास में? There are 40 students in my class. मेरा क्लास में हम लोग का क्लास में 40 बच्चा है, मीन्स 40 स्टूडेंट्स है. See, look at the board, very simple to understand. You study this sentence very well. See, it is very simple sentence for you. See, who is your class monitor or who is your class leader? आपका क्लास का मॉनिटर कौन है? Gautam Kumar is our class monitor. You can use any name, means who is your class leader or class monitor, you can use that name. Suppose Rahul Yadav. Rahul Yadav is our class monitor. Kiran Saju Thomas is our class monitor. See, this meaning what? Who is your class monitor means class का monitor कौन है? Which is your favorite subject? आपका सबसे पसंद सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है? विषय. आप किस विषय ज्यादा पसंद करता है? Which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite subject? We can ask with the favorite. Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite food? Which is your favorite car? Which is your favorite books? See, which is your favorite subject? आपका सबसे पसंद सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है? My favorite subject is mathematics. My favorite subject is mathematics, maths. मेरा सबसे पसंद वाला सब्जेक्ट यही है, मैथमेटिक्स है. Which is your hard subject? आपको सबसे कठिन सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है? विच इज योर हार्ड सब्जेक्ट और टफ सब्जेक्ट? सोशल स्टडीज इज माई हार्ड सब्जेक्ट. Sometimes social studies is hard subject. Sometimes some students tell English is their hard subject. See, social studies is my hard subject. How do you go to school? आप कैसे स्कूल जाते हो? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? आप कैसे स्कूल जाते हो? I go to school by bicycle. I go to school by bicycle. Or I go to school by bus. Or I go to school on foot. अब पैदल जाता है. I go to school by bicycle means मैं साइकिल से स्कूल जाता हूँ. I go to school by bus. बस में जाता हूँ. I go to school on foot. By foot, not on foot. See, look at the board very clearly, and if you have the copy, you can write it. Do you have to wear school uniform? आपको स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहनने का जरूरी है. At school or in school, do you have to wear school uniform at school? आपको स्कूल में स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहनने का जरूरी है. Yes, I have to wear school uniform. Yeah, हमको स्कूल में स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहनने का जरूरी है. Yes, I have to wear school uniform. How many languages do you study at school? How many languages? How many languages do you study at school? आप कितना भाषा, कितना language आप स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? Usually, some schools English, Hindi. In other states, English, Malayalam. Or Hindi. See, here in Uttar Pradesh, English, Hindi and Sanskrit. See, I study 3 languages at a school. मैं 3 languages स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ. They are English, Hindi and Sanskrit. I study. How many languages do you study at school? I study 3 languages at school. They are English, Hindi and Sanskrit. Then, do you take art or music in your school? आप स्कूल में आर्ट और म्यूजिक में भाग लेते हो, पढ़ते हो? Yes, I take art or music in the school. You can say. Do you take art or music in the school? Do you take part? We can say no problem. Or do you study? We can say no problem. Do you study art or music in the school? Yes or no, you can. Do you play in any school team? आप स्कूल का अलग अलग टीम है, वो टीम में आप पढ़ते हो? Yes, I play in cricket team. No, I do not play in any team. Yes, I play in cricket team. No, I do not play at any team. See, what time does your school start? What time does your school start? आपका स्कूल कितना बजे शुरू होता है? Our school starts. See, our school starts at 9 o'clock. हमारा स्कूल 9 o'clock में शुरू होता है. 9 बजे शुरू होता है, मतलब 9 बजे पढ़ाई शुरू होता है. What time does your, see, what time, what के बाद noun आ गया. What time does your school start? Our school starts at 9 o'clock. हम लोग का स्कूल 9 o'clock में 9 बजे शुरू होता है. What time does your school finish? What time does your school finish? आपका स्कूल कितना बजे बंद होता है? मतलब कितना बजे आपका स्कूल खत्म होता है? Our school finishes at 2 o'clock. हमारा स्कूल 2 बजे तक बंद होता है. What time does your school finish? Our school finishes at 2 o'clock. Are स्कूल में टीचर लोग स्ट्रिक्ट है? यस, आवर टीचर्स आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट इन स्कूल। हम लोग का टीचर लोग स्कूल में बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है। Which language do you talk in your school? Which language do you talk in your school? आप स्कूल में कौन कौन भाषा मतलब लैंग्वेज क्या कौन कौन लैंग्वेज आप उपयोग करता है? We talk English and Hindi in our school. हम लोग स्कूल में इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों यूज करता है। Some schools are allowed to speak only English. See, but in our school, English and Hindi both language are using. We talk English and Hindi in our school. Which language? See, which language do you talk in your school? We talk or I talk English and Hindi in our school. Then, which syllabus does your school follow? Which syllabus does your school follow? Means आपका स्कूल में कौन सा सिलेबस फॉलो करता है? Our school follows CBSE syllabus. Our school follows ICSE syllabus. See, which syllabus? कौन सा syllabus does your school follow? Our school follows CBSE syllabus. Do you complete your homework daily? क्या आप आपका होमवर्क डेली पूरा करते हो? Do you complete? Do you complete your homework daily? Yes, I complete my homework daily. मैंने रोज अपना होमवर्क पूरा करता हूँ। At what time does the first bell ring? आपका स्कूल में पहले का बेल कितना बजे है? At what time does the first bell ring? First bell rings at 8:30 a.m. हम लोग का स्कूल में 8:30 बजे पहले बेल मीन्स फर्स्ट बेल, द मॉर्निंग प्रेयर, मॉर्निंग प्रेयर के लिए पहले वाला बेल। At what time does the first bell ring? First bell rings, see, rings at 8:30 a.m. When do you go to school? आप कितना बजे स्कूल जाते हो अपना घर से? From your house. When do you go to school from your home? I go to school at 8 o'clock from my home. I go to school. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ at 8 o'clock. मैं 8 o'clock में 8 बजे स्कूल जाता हूँ. Do you study well? क्या आप अच्छा से पढ़ते हो? Do you study well? Yes, I study well. Do you study well? Yes, I study well. Are you happy with your school? क्या आप स्कूल जाने में और स्कूल में पढ़ने में आप संतुष्ट है? Are you happy with your school? Yes, I happy with my school. See, look at the word. Then last, do you pay attention in your class? क्या आप अपना क्लास में ध्यान देते हो? मतलब टीचर लोग जो पढ़ाता है उस समय आप लोग ध्यान देते हो? Yes, I pay attention in my class. See, students, in this class I already given 30 sentences. These 30 sentences are very important in your daily life. So I request you, in this 30 sentences you must study or should study and try to write this Hindi meaning also. आप ये अच्छे से पढ़ना है और इसका हिंदी मीनिंग अच्छी तरह से लिखने के लिए आप लोग कोशिश करना है। और in the 30 sentence you ask to your friend, आप कैसे हम लोग इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे? इंग्लिश it is not a medicine. ये एक दवा नहीं है। ये आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, लिखना पड़ेगा, रीडिंग करना पड़ेगा, तब आप पढ़ेगा। In this 30 sentence is very useful sentences for you. That sentence you must ask to others. दूसरा से, आपका पार्टनर से, आपका दोस्त से आप ये सेंटेंस पूछना है। ऐसे 2-3 लोगों से आप ये सेंटेंस पूछिए। If you ask 2-3 person or 2-3 students or 2-3 friends, automatically in this sentence you learn. ये आप अच्छी तरह से याद होगा। It is very useful sentence. practice it. So I think that you got some advantages. ये आपको कुछ फायदा मिल गया होगा, मैं विचार करता हूँ, और आप अच्छा से पढ़िएगा. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी, हैव ए नाइस